Hi, let's discuss fundamental rights. Fundamental rights as fundamental rights incorporated in part 3 and article lies between article 14 to 32, where article 13, which is also known as rule of law, article 13 also related with article 368 in part 20. Article 13 and article 368 also interlink with each other, where article 368 give power parliament to amend any of the law or any of the part of constitution, where a famous case also come here, which is Keshwananda Bharti case 1973, and also 24th Amendment Act 1971. We will discuss about article 13 in separate lecture, where we will interlink and compare with article 368 and what are the criteria that they are resemble or they are interlinked with each other. Now fundamental rights, first between article 14 to article 18, which is right of equality. Then second is article 19 to 22, which is freedom, right to freedom. Then third, article 23 to 24, which is right against exploitation. Then fourth, 25 to 28, which is right of religion, religious right. Then fifth is 29 to 30, which is right of minority. And then article 32, which is known as constitutional remedies, and this is for union government or central government. And article 226, which is incorporated for states, which has the similar power. If anyone exploit your fundamental rights, then you can go to the Supreme Court or High Court through article 32 and article 226 respectively, where in article 32 you can avail of writs. There is 5 type of writs in article 32 and 226. The first one is habeas corpus, second is mandamus, third is certiorari, fourth is quo warranto, and fifth is prohibition. We will separately talk about these all, and we will understand that what is the meaning of the each and every one. After that, we left with 2 articles, which is article 33, article 34 and article 35. All the article related with military, where article 33 deprive military person to avail the fundamental rights, and 34 related with the martial rule or military rule, and article 35 similarly related to the martial law. Then we already discussed about that some of the fundamental rights is also interlinked with the emergencies. If we interlink these kind of things, we will let the knowledge of these and get more knowledge about that, how to use them and where they are incorporated. We already discussed that emergency in part 18, and article lies between 352 to 360, where fundamental rights 19 and 20 and 21, which is operational with article 352, where emergency due to war or armed rebellion. Then article 19 suspended if there is war, but if it is due to army rebellion, then article 19 cannot be suspended. Second, article 20 and 21, which is related to same with 352, where president cannot deprive or cannot suspend the article 20 and 21, where is the life of liberty. We cannot deprive any person to move to the Supreme Court, which is also in 38th Amendment Act 1975, where to immune the president that cannot move to Supreme Court for the further hearing, but it was suspended by 44th Amendment Act 1978, where if the president or cabinet approve the emergency or emergency due to the war or army rebellion on the basis of irrelevant facts, second, absurd reasons, then they can move to Supreme Court for the same. This is all about the fundamental rights, and we will discuss each of them in separate part, where we will discuss every fundamental right. For example, 14, which is talk about equality, 15, which is talk about expression, 16, which is talk about equal employment, 17, untouchability, and 18, abolition of titles, or where we can use titles. We will understand that all.